Okay? The first tense I want to go through is the to have tense. So the verb to have in the sense of time is haber. And the way you find its conjugation is this one's irregular, which means it has its own sort of thing going on. The way you conjugate it is you look at the vowels. So the two vowels here are a and e, and you work from there. So e in Spanish means I have, in the sense of I have eaten, I have spoken, or whatever. That's how you get e. And the plural of I is we, right? And so to make e plural, you make it hemos. So hemos is we have. So we have eaten. It would be hemos. So hemos, and then you look at the other vowel to get the rest of them. So for he, she, it, or you formal has done whatever verb, it's a, and then you informal, us, they, or you guys, it's an. Now for the second word, to make it the past tense, so for example, spoken, eaten, lived, etc. These words that come after haber. For our verbs, you take off the ar and put ado. For erir verbs, you take off the erir and put ido. Okay, so to present was presentar. So presented would be presentado. And so I have presented would be he presentado. We have presented, hemos presentado. They have presented, han presentado. He has presented, ha presentado. You informal have presented, has presentado. He comido for eaten. So that's how that works for that tense. And to make things negative in Spanish, you just add a no to the beginning. So you haven't eaten would be no has comido, for example. And to make things questions in Spanish, you just make them sound like questions. So if you want to say, haven't we eaten? You'd say, no hemos comido. And by the way, if you're just getting started, I highly recommend joining the Speedy Spanish Hub. It's a free community I created with a bunch of free resources and guides to help you start learning Spanish with these methods. And it'll be the first link in the description.